Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change default system font in Windows 10 guys. For that you just want to right click on the blank area in desktop and click new and click text document over here. You just want to click on it and after that the new text document will be created guys. You just want to open the text document and check my video description for this command guys, registry editor command. You just want to copy that command and paste it in Notepad, and after pasting in you just want to go to format tab over here and click font. In here you just want to search for Segoe Segoe UI. You just want to copy that text in here, copy it and click cancel and decide font. You just change this to paste it guys. You just want to paste in here. You just want to paste in here for the default font in Windows 10. Just want to paste instead of that and click file to save as, and just name this file change 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 default font font .reg. Just want to text document, you want to save it, click save. Now the registry has been saved in desktop. You just want to open the registry font. You just want to change default font. We just created registry over here. Double click on it and click yes. Are you sure you want to continue? Click yes guys. The key and value contained in this font has been successfully added to the registry. Now you just want to click OK and restart your PC for make changes guys. Now your font size will change to default Windows 10 font guys. I show you guys in this video. Now the font has been changed guys. You can see here. I show you guys in a quick in this video. Searching device manager for example, that has more letters in there. Opening, as you can see the font has been changed over here guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.